All right, Coach Austin, disappointing loss, especially to lose right at the end in stoppage time. Talk to us about the side's performance and how you feel about it.
Well, it was a good game from both teams. I think Arnett played a very good game. We played a solid game also. You know, we got some chances in the first half. We didn't make use of them. Arnett got some also, and our keeper was brilliant in the first half throughout the game. I think he kept us in the game, and he kept well. So I think it was a decent performance, and to lose a game like how we did, it's a bit painful, but it's football. Things like that happen, and we just have to move on from it.
As you said that the keeper had a brilliant game, did you think today's side probably relied on him too much at times?
Yes, definitely. That's not like us. That's what I told them just a while ago, that it's the first I've seen we have to rely on our keeper that much. So, but that also could be a good game by Arnett also. So, but it's not our character to see our keeper have to rely on us like that. But, it's football. As I said, sometimes we have good times and sometimes we have bad times. We just have to keep consistent and try to eradicate those things out of our game.
Talk to us about the creativity. Today at times it seems to lack creativity.
Yeah.
You talk to us about that.
Yes, definitely. That's one of our biggest.
Unlike Portmore
Yeah,
today.
yeah. I
In
think.
recent form, at least.
Yeah, I think we rushed it also too much in the final third. We had more time to think and play, but we want to do so much so fast, and then it led to a bad pass or a misplaced pass or an overhit pass, and stuff like that. But they are human beings, and they will make mistakes, But I will always proud of what they're doing. I think they're doing great, and we just have to keep, going. Life is like this, ups and downs. Football is like this. You can play a good game and lose at the last minute. It's like this. We just have to keep going. We have 29 games left for the first part of the season, so we just have to go to the drawing board and go again.
As a manager now, as you said, 10 games now pass. What can you assess of this team? You've been here for 10 games now, new manager, talk to us about. I know that it's not new, it's your home, but let's talk us about coaching the team for these 10 games.
Yes, one of the things, one of my things that I talk to them about the most is complacency and being satisfied. I don't like those two words. Anytime you have a team and they start to get complacent or satisfied because we're on a run, then some little thing will creep in. And I'm not gonna blame the players. Never blame the players. I am where the buck stop, and I have to take the responsibility. But they have been brilliant throughout the season. A very good strike. As I said earlier, I don't see back the goal, so I can't really assess it. And I'm not gonna blame my goalkeeper. He was brilliant.
Yes, coach. Second half, we saw a dip in the Portmore performance, and even as the longer the game went on, the Portmore team was less visible. Could you explain what happened in the dip in performance?
I think it's getting the right passes and combinations together. As I said, most time we were playing from the back good, or if they press us, we try to go over it with a long ball. But from the middle to the final third, I didn't think we were at our best today, and I think that was the problem.
And just talk to us about the end of this brilliant run that you're on. What are your thoughts on that? And you talk to me about not only about the form, but we also have a key player missing about Walsh. If you look on it, could that be a flaw that we could use right now to add things to the team?
Yes, but you have to, even though we can come and say it, we don't guarantee what he's going to come back and do. We have to just keep him fit and try to get him really, really sharp to come back. We were winning games without him. He's going to make a good impact, a positive impact when he come back, but we are doing well without him. So, we have to just trust the process and trust and wait on him to get back. We can't rush him, because I know it can be with injuries. You rush and come back, and then you can make things worse. But we're looking forward to having him back.
All right, So we should say the rest of the season as well.
Yeah, man, respect.
Coach, no worry, I'll find it back, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, say we'll find it back. We'll go up on a mad run.